Welcome back. In this video we will set up JSON server for our application. So let's go to the documentation first. Type JSON server and JSON server npm. Here you will get to know what is the latest version. Then here from you can go to the repository, and here you can go to the documentation page also. I'm clicking on get started. So first we need to install this npm package JSON server. You can run this from a PowerShell window. Okay, from here, as I already did, you can install that. After that, they are suggesting to create one file, that is create db.json file with some data. Okay, let's create that. We can create here. It's not a problem. I will create one folder here, JSON server, or JSON server, and inside that one file db.json, and in db.json we need to put some data. So here object. In object I am creating user, and user is array of object. Okay, and it will have id, which is number, then name. Okay, name is any like John, and email john@gmail.com. Okay, fine, I save it. After that they are saying start JSON server by this command, JSON server watch db.json. Let's do that. I'm in other PowerShell window, so I need to go to JSON server folder. Okay, after that JSON server, and directly we can write in this way, but I wanted to use a different port. Let me use 8000 and db.json. By this way you can give the port number. Okay, fine. Now I can access the user list, whatever we write that by in this way. So it's very easy and quick, that's why we are using this. Okay, so hardly we in 2 minutes everything is ready. The fake API is ready for our practice. Okay, and to get the data of the user, we need to pass in this way, like a get. If we use this way, it will fetch all the data. If we provide id, it will fetch data for that id only. Then post means we can create insert the new data. Then put is we can update that. Then patch is specific to that, uh, specific to some field. Then delete means deleting the record. Let's try this. I am opening the Postman. If you are familiar with the Postman, then it's okay, else it's not a problem. Let me copy the URL. This is the URL which is pointing to the JSON server fake API. I am putting it here, and for get request I need to show it should show the list of the user. Okay, so it is fetching the all the records. If you mention here specific ID, then it will show only that record as an object, and if I remove, it is showing array of object. Okay. Now create post post a record. So in body our data should be like row, and here we need to select the JSON. Okay, here we need to create one object which will have name. Name will be uh, some dummy, and email ID, email dummy@gmail.com. We don't need to provide ID. ID will automatically get created. Let's send this request. Okay, so our new record is inserted. Let's check by get. Yeah, so new record is inserted. Now I need to update the dummy record. So here I need to provide the ID of that, and name should be dummy1, email dummy1@gmail.com. Okay, so the record is updated. Let's fetch the record. Yeah, so it is updated. ID2 is updated now, and if we wanted to delete it, we can delete. So delete, and here ID, which record we need to delete. I am sending this. Yeah, so record is deleted now. Let's fetch all the records. So only one record is here now. Okay, so this is how it's easy to set up the JSON server. In next video we will use this to fetch user list from this port.